This video will go over the pre-procedure evaluation for watchman procedure by transesophageal echocardiogram or TEE. There is an artifact you can see which is no longer visualized by changing the settings. It's very important to rule out left atrial appendage thrombus for evaluation of watchman procedure. Explain mode is used to rule out thrombus and better you visualize the left atrial appendage pectinate muscle. Color Doppler is used to make sure there is no left atrial appendage thrombus. Left atrial appendage is measured at the level of the os, at the level of the circumflex artery. It's measured at 0 degrees, at 45 degrees, at 90 degrees, and then at 130 degree. At this 130 degree view, you can see that there is an anterior lobe. It is make sure that there is no patent foramina ovale or any atrial septal defect that would affect the procedure. These are not contraindications to procedure. A 3D view is taken to make sure complete os is taken into a picture so you can reconstruct the images on 3D Q by Philips. You can see that these are 3D Q images that are taken at different R to R interval where the left atrial appendage os changes its shape and size. It is make sure that the left atrial appendage os is in the largest diameter at the level of circumflex or coronary artery. The depth is measured at the same time